This AI channel is making around $7,000 per month from these videos. The psychology niche is trending right now because YouTube pays well for it. But while most people are copying channels like Psychology Simplified, this guy took a working strategy and turned it into something more unique. The videos are 100% AI generated, but the style is different from the rest, and it clearly shows in the views. And people enjoy watching this type of psychology content because it helps them understand themselves better. In this video, I'll break down this niche into 4 simple steps that even a beginner can follow. I'll be using ChatGPT to generate prompts, OpenArt to create visuals and audio, and CapCut for editing. I personally love this workflow, but you can use any similar tools. So let's get started with the script. We're not going to write it manually. Instead, we'll delegate everything to AI using professional master prompts. All the prompts and references I use are available for free in the link in the description. First, use the first prompt to generate a list of video topics. Just paste it into a new ChatGPT chat. You'll get 10 topics in the right style. Pick the one you like the most. It's important that it makes people reflect. After that, copy the second prompt and paste it into the same chat, replacing the Your Topic field with your chosen topic. As a result, you'll get a full video script with a clear structure, a well-explained idea, and a style that keeps the viewer's attention. Now let's voice our script like a real narrator is reading it. Go to OpenArt and open the Audio tab. I'll pick this voice. It's perfect because it sounds deep and calm. Next, paste the script in parts. You can upload it all at once, but I don't recommend it. Finally, just download the finished audio file. Step 3, we'll generate the images. Go to OpenArt again. First, add a character so AI understands the style you want. Click on Character, then start from an image, and upload a photo from the references. You can tweak the character a little, like changing the color, to make it stand out more. Now the last step before generation. Open a new chat in ChatGPT. Take prompt number 3 and replace your script with the first few paragraphs of your script. Don't use the whole text at once. This prompt will split your text into separate scenes and create image prompts for each sentence. Next, take the first prompt and go back to OpenArt. Open the Image tab, choose the Nano Banana 2 model. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and quality to 1K. Paste the prompt, click Add References, and select the character you created. Then click Generate. If you don't like the result, it's always better to try again. Repeat this process for the rest of the prompts. When finished, use prompt number 3 again with the next part of your script and continue generating until you've gone through the entire script. The last step is editing. We'll combine the visuals with the audio and add subtitles. Open CapCut and create a new project. Choose the aspect ratio 16:9, then import all the generated files and the white background from the references. First, drag the white background to the main track, then add all the voiceover audio files and adjust the background to match their total length. Next, on the layer above, start adding the images above the script parts they were created for. At first, just place them in the right order and adjust their duration. Now let's add a little animation. Select the first image, set the scale to 76 at the start, and add a keyframe. Go to the end of this clip and reduce the scale to 70. This will make the image slowly zoom out and make the video feel more dynamic. Next, right-click on this image and choose Copy Attributes. Then select all the other images and click Paste Attributes to apply the same effect. You should also adjust the last keyframe for each clip's length. Now for subtitles. Go to the Captions tab and click Generate. Select the first text, then adjust the size, font, and position at the top like I do. If you want, you can add soft, quiet background music, either from the CapCut library or download it from elsewhere. And the final step, click Export and download your finished video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial and that you will make money from this niche. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like.